Yes, I'm leaving. Anything the matter?
Darling, I'm surprised you're asking me that question. Out of the money I asked you for my shopping, I'll be going with my sister later today.
Vera, why are you behaving like this? Why are you like this? Eh? I told you to forget about that thing. My container just arrived a few days back. And I don't have any money with me right now.
I should forget about that.
Yes.
I am only asking for 150,000 naira. Only! And you are here giving me excuses.
150,000 naira is a huge amount of money. Okay, I am not saying I will not give you. I will give you. But give me small time to sort out things.
It's a lie. Okay, let me ask you. Have you changed my wardrobe since you got married to me? No, answer. Have you?
Vera, why are you doing this? I know how much I've spent on you before we got married. And those things you bought will last you for long.
Oh, Diego.
Please. It's true.
Please. Izuogo, don't get me angry. Don't get me angry. Anyway. Why are you living a miserable life? No, wait. Why are you living a miserable life? All the money you have. Eh? You don't leave this place until you give me that money.
Do you realize I'm your husband and you're pushing me that way?
I'm not pushing you. I'm just romancing you. Give me the money.
I will see you when I come back, okay?
As if you're not listening to me. As if you're not living until you give me the money.
Why are you doing this?
I need to shop and look good like my fellow young girls.
Okay. I love the way you are. You're beautiful. You're doing it for me. I love the way you are.
I don't love the way I am.
that way for me. Okay?
I don't love the way I am.
I love the way you are.
I don't love it. I don't love. You think I'm joking? Give me the money.
I don't like what you're doing now. I don't just like it. Hey, open that gate.
Don't try it. Don't open that gate. Give me the money, please.
Open the gate fast.
If you try it, I'll punch you.
Come on, open that gate. Are you sure?
I'll kick you now. Get out. Give me the money. Give me the money.
Why are you behaving like this? Open the gate, my friend.
If you open that gate, wait, no food for you in this house.
You're not challenging me. Huh?
Give me the money, simple. What? Don't try it.
I'll carry you on my head.
Give me the money.
Stop this now.
Cindy, what is it?
Oh, UK, you're asking me, huh?
Why did you eat me? What did I do to you?
Oh, don't talk to me like that. Can't you greet? Eh? You can't greet. You know what, UK? I have noticed that you find it so difficult to greet. But let me remind you that this is my sister's house and I deserve every respect from you, okay? Take note of that. Fool. Nonsense. Ignore my instructions in this house.
Cindy, you slapped me.
What will you do? UK, I am asking you, what will you do? Huh? Tell me what you will do. What is going on here? Sister, is it not this idiot you kept in this house as your maid? I asked her to boil water for me and she refused. Is that true, UK?
Auntie,
hush. I don't want to hear anything you have to say. Cindy is my sister and you will not disobey her in my house. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now hurry with the water. But fast about it. Cindy, get ready. Alright, sister.
you didn't go for shopping again?
Says who?
Nobody. I mean, you didn't care to show me the things you bought.
Oh. So you know if I spent all the money you gave me, isn't it?
Meaning what? Why are you talking like that? Don't I have the right to know the things you bought?
Oh, now you're shouting. You're shouting at me because you gave me ordinary 150,000 naira. Huh?
Wait, you called my hard-earned money ordinary? Huh? I don't blame you.
Or other men give their wives 1 million, 5 million to go for shopping. You're here shouting because you gave me ordinary 150,000 naira. Please, I don't want trouble this night. Please.
Rubbish.
How are you? I'm fine, ma.
Is my son inside?
But Madam Jensen. Welcome.
How are you?
We are fine, though. Madam, come on.
Sister, you need to go there and see things for yourself.
You don't say. Where is this place?
It's very close to the stadium, sister. This boutique is the best in town. I wish you didn't shop last month.
It doesn't matter. You will still take me there.
Sister, you need it. You know what? I promised the man that I will be coming Sunday with my elder sister.
You're taking me there tomorrow.
Oh,
Tomorrow.
Okay, sister.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, UK, what is it?
I guess mother and sister are here.
Where are they?
In the living room.
You can go.
Yes.
Sister, are you aware of their visits?
No, neither do my husband.
What's keeping her now? I thought the housemaid had gone to call her.
No, maybe she's busy with some things. She'll soon come.
Let her come out. I'm already tired.
She'll come now.
Mother-in-law, is my husband aware that you will come?
No, I didn't tell him. Must I tell him? This is my son's house. Well,
I don't have anything to say to you till he comes back.
excuse me.
Mama, what's the meaning of this?
I don't know.
Why is she acting as if you are strangers?
Maybe I'm as shocked and confused as you are. I didn't expect to receive this kind of treatment from her.
Well, when brother comes back, I'll tell him what just happened. Why must she treat us as if we are strangers? Why? For what now?
No, are we going to go now or
Go where?
stay?
We are sitting here. See, when brother comes back, I'll be the first one to tell him this. Why would his wife be behaving like this? Sister, Is it true?
Yes.
Where are they? I left them in the living room. So why are they here?
I don't know. You know what? I don't have anything to say until my husband comes back.
But sister, are you sure your husband is not the one who invited them?
No, he can't do such a thing. Go downstairs and take them to the visitors' room. I don't want to set my eyes on them by the time I get back.
Okay, sister.
If she can't give us anything to eat, that means you have to wait for your brother to come back. Me too, I'm hungry.
Hello, darling. I'm back. How are you?
Don't talk to me.
You told me you guys came.
Yes, it's afternoon. You said not telling me again.
No. Mama, please don't mind her. There is something I'm supposed to buy for her. I didn't get it. So that's why she's angry.
Is that reason she's telling me?
Let's not talk about that. Everyone, how are you?
But I'm not fine. I'm hungry. I've not eaten anything since we got here.
Ma, is that true?
Was she lying? We've not eaten anything, even water. Me too, I'm very hungry. But I didn't give us anything to eat.
Okay, let me ask my house girl to prepare something for you people to eat. Okay? No. No. You're welcome.
Is this how they live here?
And this is what I'm trying to understand. I don't understand this one.
Don't darling me. Don't darling me. Ain't that what I'm darting again?
What is it? What is the problem? Huh?
So you knew they were coming and you didn't bother to let me know?
It escaped my mind.
Really?
Yes.
It escaped your mind. That's what you're saying.
Okay, I am sorry. I'm sorry for that.
Because she's your mother. I wonder why she's always coming here. Every now and then. Why is she always coming here?
Vera, you're talking about my mother here.
And so? And so? This is my house and there are things I will not tolerate here. Okay?
It's okay now. It's okay.
Don't touch me, please. Stay away from me.
What are you doing?
Preparing food.
For who?
Oga asked me to prepare food for his mother and sister.
Did you tell me? UK, did you tell me?
No.
Are you mad? How many times have I told you to get my permission before you do anything in my house?
I'm sorry, Ma.
How many times?
I can't remember, Ma.
Get out. Get out! Fool. Let me get your left legs in my kitchen again. Idiot.
UK,
So I'm here.
what happened to the food I asked you to prepare for my mother and my sister? I'm talking to you, my friend.
Mother stopped me.
Madam did what?
Yes. She said I didn't seek for her permission, so she chased me out of the kitchen.
My wife did that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want you to rush to any nearby fast food and get food for them. See, be fast about that. Be fast. I don't want to wait for you.
Who is that? Please. Allow me to sleep. Please.
Vera. Vera, I need you.
You don't need me. Go to your mother. She's the one you need.
Why are you talking like this? Stop it. Stop it, okay?
You think I'm joking? Please respect yourself to avoid embarrassment. Please.
Vera, see. I am sorry if I've offended you. Okay? Okay?
If you said. If. Okay? Rubbish.
Vera, I need you. I need you. Stop this. Stop it. Okay? Stop it.
You think I'm joking? Respect yourself. Maintain your space. Please. Daddy. This is about this one.
Hey, Mama. Do you know the food we ate last was from a fast food?
Why are you talking like that? When you were here yesterday, when Isoku told the house girl to go and prepare us something to eat. Why do you talk like that?
Yeah, he did. Yeah. But his wife stopped the cook from preparing the food.
What? Mm-hmm. How did you know this?
The house girl told me.
That's serious. Doesn't mean they don't cook again in the house.
Mama.
So what happened? Oh, no.
Brother, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready to go to work?
Yes, almost. Almost, yes. Mama? How? Please have this.
Hello.
I want you to use it for your transport back to the village.
Did we tell you we are going back today?
I know. I just want you to get your things ready. I want you to go back today.
Are you chasing us out of your house?
I did not say that. Okay? Mama, please, don't misunderstand me. When next you want to come, get me informed before coming.
When next I want to come to your house, I should get you informed before coming.
Yes, Mama.
That is permission now.
Mama, I know I'm now a family man. Okay? You need to tell me before coming to my house. Don't just come. Oh, Mama, what? Oh?
Brother, why are you sounding like this? Why?
Are you deaf? You just heard my explanations now. And you're asking me. Yeah? Mama, please. Do not be angry. Go. Just let me know when next you want to come. Just get me informed. Go. You go.
Let's come over, my son. What is wrong with you? I couldn't believe it. I thought it was a joke until he came out again and started shouting on top of his voice. Huh? That we should leave. That he wants to enjoy his peace in his marriage. So his marriage now is more important than me, his mother.
Hey, Onaya, is he mad? Hey!
That's what I don't know. I don't know what they have done to my son. I don't know what they have given to my son. I warned Izok, don't marry that girl. I don't like her, neither do I like her family. They are evil. They are very wicked and heartless set of human beings. But he insisted and married her. Look at where it has landed everybody.
It is okay. That he got married to Vera should not be why he should turn his back. Why he should abandon his own people. Get him, Mary. Get him, Mary.
You don't understand this whole thing. My son, Ejiranya, from the way that boy spoke, it shows that he's under a spell. Or something more than a spell.
It's okay. Don't run into conclusion yet. Some men change their character. Immediately they got married. Huh? We've been seeing that.
It's not like that. Is it not my child that grew under me here? Under normal circumstances, that boy will not ask me to leave his house. Me, his mother, to leave his house. My only son. The one that has stood all these years as my husband. Who do I do?
Don't worry.
Who do I run to? Who do I turn to? Who do I go to?
Don't worry yet. I will send message across to him to come back. I need to look into this matter immediately. Yeah? Don't cry yet. Don't cry. It will be alright.
Thank you.
It will be alright. Let me run along now. Huh?
Please, my regard to your family.
It will be okay. I'll look into the matter.
What do I do? Exactly my point is what everybody says. You know, Binaka, everything will be alright. Yeah, things are turning so badly. Where do I go? Who helps me out? Who's going to talk to him? Nobody's even understanding the point I'm coming from. Nobody wants to help me. Everybody will come and tell me everything will be alright. Yet I am dying. So what did I do? My son, what did I do to you? What did I do?
Sweetie, Cindy and I will be shopping today.
But you shopped last month.
I know, but Cindy discovered this new boutique in town. She said that the seller has the best stock from Turkey.
Let me see. I have a building project I'm planning, so we don't need to be spending money unnecessarily.
Are you saying the little money you give me for shopping will stop your building project?
No, that is not what I mean. That is not what I said. I said we should manage the way we spend money unnecessarily. I mean, I gave you 150,000 naira last month to shop.
I see. It's okay. I'll call my father to give me the money I need. You can keep your money.
Hey, darling, see.
Please. Please.
Vera. Vera.
Has he taken his breakfast? Yes, sister. He should go. I don't want to set my eyes on him this morning. He got me angry. Sister, how much did you tell him? He started complaining before I could say anything. Hey, my building project this, my building project that. He's just a stingy man. Cindy, please get the other phone. Let me call him. Okay, sister.
Baby, you said you want to go for shopping. Okay. Here. This is 100,000 naira.
What exactly am I going to buy with this change? You know what? Keep your money. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Vera. 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 Vera.
Heaven knows I tried to make it work, but it seems she never cared for me. Happiness is now ours.
I don't just need any disturbance this morning. I don't need it. Hello?
Brother, good morning.
Good morning, Ebere. What is it? Can't you people allow me to rest for once? Eh?
Brother, sorry for the disturbance. I actually called because of my JAMB registration fee. The deadline is next week.
Ebere, I don't have money to give to you now. Please.
Brother, please. I really need money, please.
Didn't you hear what I just said? Must you go to university? I said I don't have money to give to you now. Please, I'm busy now. I'm driving. Eh? I'll call you back later.
Brother? Hello? Hello?
Where are you? What are you saying?
Hello? Oh.
Did you just call your brother?
Yes, Mama.
What did he say?
Mama, I really don't understand why brother has decided to be treating us like strangers. You needed to hear the way he shouted at me on the phone. He even said he's not a monster will attend university.
He's all said that to you?
Yes, Mama. Do you know he's actually the one paying for Cindy's school fees? Why can't he do the same to his own sister? I don't understand what's going on.
What is going on? What have they given to my son? What have they done to my child? What is this? What is this? Just calm down. Come, let's go inside. Help you.
I need money for my job.
I know.
What is it?
The money you gave me for shopping wasn't enough. I'm owing 40,000 naira.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I said I'm owing the boutique owner 40,000 naira and I promised to give it to him tomorrow.
Vera, how could you spend 350,000 naira just a space of 1 month on a wardrobe alone?
I knew you were going to go there. Do you know how much my father gives me every month before you got married to me? Do you know?
I know you said that. Because that is what you always say. Vera, we are still on a project. We are building our home.
Building our home, my foot. You never told me you were a gold digger when you came to marry me. Listen, don't get me upset. Please. Husband's sister. What else is she calling for, if not to ask for money? These people are just nuisance.
Hello, brother, good morning.
Brother Bowa there. What do you want? Why can't you allow my husband to rest? Listen, don't call this number again. Don't try it. Rubbish.
Hey.
Every time.
I heard you talking to someone.
I wasn't talking to anyone.
Did my sister call? I am talking to you.
I don't know.
Brother gave the phone to his wife. So he doesn't want to talk to his family again.
Have you spoken to her?
He gave the phone to his wife. She warned me never to call him again.
What did you just say? His dog, my own his dog, gave his phone to his wife to respond to your call.
Mama, I think I should just let brother be. Let me forget about the jam issue. No.
No. What did I do? What did I ever do wrong? What did I do to his own? What did I do to anybody? Why would that boy turn his back on me, his mother, and to his sister? What did we do wrong? What did I do wrong? How did I offend this uncle?
Stop crying. It's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay. Even if he has decided to abandon us, we're not going to die. Never.
No. I never turned my back on him. I never let him down in any way. I never left him. I sent him through school. He went through school. I gave back to him as a free human being. His legs are working, his hands are working. I didn't do anything wrong to him. All what I did wrong was to give him back to him. And he can never turn his back on me. That I will not have. He will not turn his back on me because I didn't turn my back on my son. I didn't turn my back on him. I didn't turn my back on him. I didn't turn my back on him. Why would I say that?
Stop crying.
I didn't turn my back on you. I didn't turn my back on you. I didn't turn my back on you.
My daughter. Mom, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, Mom.
Thank you so much.
Where's your sister? Mom! Mom! You're welcome.
Thank you.
Good to have you here. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
What? Wait. Why are you looking like this? What happened to your face? Your color has changed. Everything about you has changed. It's obvious your husband is not taking care of you.
I said it.
No! He promised to take care of you. What is he doing?
Mom, look at me. Am I that bad?
You mean you don't see yourself in the mirror? Oh no. I'm sure he's not back because his car is not here. Whenever he comes back, I'll talk to him. I'm really very upset now.
But sister, I told you. You ignored me. Thank God Mom is here now. Okay. So this idiot is not yet back to this house, huh? It's high time my sister did something about her. She's not just useful, huh?
Yes. Okay.
And where are you coming from? You left this house since morning and you're just coming back. UK, where did you go from the market to?
What kind of question is that? Where do you think I went to?
Oh, you're answering my question with question, right? You know what? Your days in this house are numbered.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, you want to know? Don't worry. When I'm done discussing with my sister, you will understand what I mean.
Okay.
What is going on? What happened? Mom, could you imagine? That fool! My sister kept kept in this house as her maid. She left this house for the market since morning and she's just coming back.
Where did she say she went to?
That was my question and she started running her mouth.
Is she mad? Is that how she behaves?
That is because Sister Vera treats her with soft hand. That is why she messes up all the time.
No. Your sister has to watch that girl.
She's leaving this house, so she must leave this house. Once I'm done discussing with my sister, I know that definitely she will leave. That girl is just being stupid in this house. You needed to see the way she was running her mouth.
Why is she taking long to answer me?
Let me go and her myself. You okay? You okay?
Are you really coming back from the market now?
Yes, ma'am. There was riot and it really affected the activities in the market.
So why didn't you explain like this to my sister when she asked you?
She refused to listen to me. Ma, please. I don't like the way she talks to me in this house.
Hey, shut up! Look at this one. Who asked you to speak? This is my sister we're talking about here. If you had behaved yourself, she won't talk to you in that manner. Now hurry up with the food. Lunchtime is almost gone. Get out! Out! Stupid.
Sister, you know what? She has to leave this house. Yes, let's look for someone else. She must leave.
One day I will slap that girl in this house and face the consequences. Can you imagine?
Mom, it's okay. You have made your point.
Does he know the fortune it cost us to raise you? Or is it because we allowed him to marry you? Huh?
I know all that, Mother, but...
But what? Eh? But what? You mean?
My in-law.
Who is your in-law?
Mom.
Don't mom me. What is it? Huh?
Darling, what is going on?
Stop calling her that because you don't know the meaning. Look at my one-time beautiful daughter that we allowed you marry. You just go. Look at her. Her color has changed.
But I've been taking care of her.
No, you're not. My very beautiful daughter that we allowed you to marry. Look at how her color has changed. You promised us that you would take good care of her. But look at her. Look at her color. Well, Vera, you will go and pack your things. Because anything can happen.
I don't understand.
Very soon you will understand.
Darling, what is going on?
Please. You keep disgracing me in front of my people.
Wickedness, selfishness, heartless, that's what she gives. No happiness, only sadness and fallenness. Every day, wickedness, selfishness and heartless is what she gives.
Vera, I'm not happy. I am not happy the way your mother used to embarrass me each time she comes here.
My mother never embarrassed you. She was only telling you the truth.
What truth is that?
You know what? I am not ready for your drama this night. Or I will go out and tell her.
As if I care.
Oh, you don't care? If I were you, I would go and plead with her. Because she's serious about going home with me.
What's the problem? Well, why are you here? Why are you here?
Are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
Well, I started feeling feverish as soon as you left in the morning.
Is that why you should be seated under the sun?
Yes, because I'm feeling very cold.
No, Mama, you shouldn't be here. Let's go inside, oh.
No, allow me to stay here. I'm very cold.
Mama,
Let me catch a little sun more.
Mama, you can't be here. Let's go inside. I'll go get some drugs for you.
Hey.
Please. Hey. No, please, let's go inside. Please. Sorry.
Good afternoon.
What happened? You told me you were going to spend some weeks with my daughter and her husband.
I couldn't stay there anymore.
Why?
The moment I stepped my feet into that place, I got very angry. You want a Vera? Very chugo. If you see her skin, she has changed color. I even wanted to bring her home, but she started begging me.
Wow.
Izog is not taking good care of her. Like I said, I wanted to bring her with me, but she begged me and I had to let go.
Izog promised to take good care of my daughter.
He has failed. He has failed us woefully.
Anyway, never mind. I'll call him on phone and I will talk to him.
Chief, warn him. Warn him not to play with my daughter.
I told you that my sister will be going back to school tomorrow. She needs 80,000 naira to get her handouts.
Handout again? I thought I've given her money for the handout.
Well, the money you gave couldn't buy all.
What's going on now? Father, pick your call. I really need to tell him that my mother is sick. Please speak up. Pick.
Oh, I don't need this disturbance this morning. Baby, what is it? Why are you calling me this early morning? What is it?
Brother, oh God. Brother, please pick your call. Pick.
Yes, Berry. Ogini, what is it?
Hello? Brother, good morning.
Berry, morning. Why do you keep disturbing me? Huh? What can I do for you? What is it?
Brother, please. See, Mama is seriously sick. She's sick.
Well, see, I am very busy now. I'll call you back. I will call you back.
Who do this now, brother? I'm telling Mama is sick. You are here hanging up on me.
Am I going to run away because of you people? Eh? What is it?
So what are you saying?
Ask your sister to send her account number or transfer the money to her account. I don't have cash with me now.
What about her pocket money? Yes, are you planning to let her go just like that?
Didn't you hear what I said? I said I don't have cash with me here.
Very well then. I'll give her the 50,000 naira you asked me to keep for the landlord.
Why is Vera treating me this way? Why? Does she think I have other source of income apart from my business, that one business that she knows? What is this? What is this, God? Oh.
Uncle, good morning.
Ebele, what is the problem? Where are you hurrying to?
Uncle, my mother is dying. Please, help me take her to the hospital, please.
What is the problem?
Uncle, she took it 2 days ago and all the drugs I gave to her from the chemist man could not yield any results. Please.
But have you called your brother, his work?
Uncle, please. Uncle, I don't understand brother anymore. I've been trying to reach him since morning. Please, let's take her to the
let's
hospital.
go and see what.
Why is he coming? Eh? Why can't these people allow my husband a moment of peace? These people are really getting on my nerves, honestly. I know what I'm going to do. Let me delete his number so that my husband will not know that he missed his calls. Rubbish. He just called it to me.
Darling. I have my phone ringing.
No. Nobody called you. You care for some fruits?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
That reminds me. Cindy called.
Oh.
She's grateful for the money you sent to her.
Okay. Thank God. I hope she's fine.
Yeah, she's fine. You sure you don't want?
Good.
Okay.
Is there anything wrong with you? Is your man bleeding? We'll be calling you, you don't want to pay for. What is wrong with you?
Uncle, what's the meaning of that statement?
The meaning of it is that since yesterday we have been calling you a line. You don't want to pick. To tell you that your mother is sick in the hospital. You don't want to pick phone. And when you saw the missed call, you refused to respond. You should have called back. You are an idiot. You're a very foolish boy. Huh? If anything happens to your mother, I will tell her people that you killed her. Oh yes! Idiot.
What did he say?
Forget about what he said. Let me go now and run around for money. Because I don't understand him. But keep this 4,000. You might have need of it. If there's anything they need, you buy. Okay.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you.
Tell her that I will come back in the afternoon to know how she is faring.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
What?
So you're dressed and ready to go after the man insulted and called you names.
Vera, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. Don't tell me that. He should have told you what the problem was rather than giving you the type of insult he gave you over the phone. And you're here telling me that it's okay. It's not okay.
Anyway, I am going to see my mother.
Why won't you? She's all you care about. You think I don't know?
Why are you sounding this way?
Zoga, I'm not a fool. You see all this your pretense. There, I love you. I care about you. Upe, you don't love me. Your mother is the only one you care about.
Vera, stop it. Just stop it. Please.
Go. Go be with your mother. I don't care. Go.
Wickedness, selfishness, heartless, that's what she gives.
Uncle, you're back.
Yes. My daughter. How is she?
Uncle, she's very fine. She's responding to treatment already.
Oh, thank God.
She was even happy when I told her about the money you gave to us.
Alright. Has the doctor come for a checkup?
Yes. He said they'll run another test on Mama. So I deposited 3,000 from the 4,000 you gave to me.
Oh, yes. That's good. Well, I am rushing to somewhere. In fact, to my house. Some people came to my house. And I told them to give me some minutes. I'm coming back.
No problem.
So this 15,000.
Hey, Uncle.
Anything they need, you use it,
Cool. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you, family. Thank you, Uncle.
Let me go and meet them. I will come back in the evening.
No problem.
They know how she is faring.
Good day.
Because all your greetings, I don't need it. You hear me? Remember to tell your mother that in the evening I will come check her. Hello.
Thank you very much.
Yes. What can I do for you?
I want to beg you for something.
I'm listening.
I need some money. Like 2,000.
What for?
My unders, they've worn out. I want to replace them.
Are you out of your mind? Don't I pay you for your services in this house?
I'm sorry, Ma. But, Ma, you've not paid me for 3 months now.
Shut your stupid mouth. If you hear you say that again, I am going to slap you. Now get out. Get out! Let me hear you say such rubbish again. Rubbish.
So where is he now?
He left for the village to be with his mother.
You shouldn't have allowed him to go to the village.
I should have forced him.
So is his mother really sick?
Says who? She's not sick. She just wants to lure him. They're only interested in my husband's money, that's all.
Can you just imagine that? My dear, you have to take it easy. You have to take it easy and you have to be careful.
I hate those people. Why wouldn't they allow me enjoy my marriage? Eh? Why?
I don't just even understand. They will not let you be at peace with your husband. They will not let you enjoy your house. What is all this? Eh? What is all this? But my darling, calm your nerves. Cool down. Calm down.
They never wanted him to marry me. Yes! My dear, the more I talk about this, the more I boil in anger.
Calm down.
The more I boil.
Calm down.
Let me get you something to drink.
But make it soft, okay?
All right.
Vera, it's not all about getting married earlier than your friends. It's all about keeping the marriage. I don't like stressing you. I hope I'm not stressing you.
No, not at all. I know he's even preparing food for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You will not finish me in this your beautiful house. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Vera, are you really sure that your husband really loves you? Yes! If he actually loves you, he will not go to the village and meet his mother. Have you thought about it? No, think about it now. Wisdom, wisdom, wisdom.
See, you are right.
Of course! Lucy is always right. Listen, a man will leave his parents' house and be joined onto with his wife. I mean, both of them will become one flesh. Ephesians 5:31 is written in the Bible. It's there, right there in the Bible. You need to understand what I am saying. Think. I've heard you. What I think you should do is, you should really check if the mother is sick, so that you will actually understand what I am saying.
I understand you perfectly. I don't need a private investigator to know that the woman is not sick. She's not sick.
That's okay. Are you actually traveling to see your parents?
Yes. Please let him miss me for some days. Let him stay for some time without me. I want him to miss me.
It's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to do. Yes. It's okay, my friend. You need to calm down. You need to take it easy. I was actually going to ask you. You look so beautiful. What is your beauty regimen? I really want to know.
Like this? Without this stress?
Look at you!
Please, girl.
Big man wife.
They won't allow me to enjoy the marriage. That's the problem.
These people should just allow you to enjoy your home. Eh? What is all this? What is all this, eh? I don't understand. Should allow you enjoy your home. It's your home.
So you had the nerves to report me to my husband?
I don't understand, ma.
You don't understand? Come here. What do you take me for? A fool?
I did not do anything, ma.
I will slap you again if you say that rubbish. You reported me to my husband. You told him that I have not paid your salary for 3 months. Am I right?
That is not how it happened, ma. I only asked him money for my underwears.
You had the effrontery to ask my husband money for your underwear. That's seduction. Oh, you want to seduce my husband?
No.
With your dry behind? Eh? Look at this idiot. You see that?